how to make and create Tumblr graphic on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make and create Tumblr graphic in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Tumblr. Click on Tumblr graphic option, and now it will take you to this page. Choose any template you want from here, for example this one, and you can edit the picture, the text, and everything from here. As you can see, can be edited. After you finish editing the templates, go to share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget like and subscribe.